Yo, how we doing, guys? How we doing? Friday, last day of the week. Run a little bit behind, so just bear with me a second. Right. Sweet, sweet. Just finishing setting up. Been a good day today so far. Two winners. Wow. One was a small win. One was a good win. Alright, I'm pretty much there, I think. Right, sweet. How long we got? We've got just over 3 minutes. Let's get the poll up. I'm feeling like it's going to be fall back into the news kind of day. What I'm thinking. I'm glad I wasn't in a trade for CPI. I was shorting up here. I knew that there was CPI news, but I thought it was I don't think we were going to have it because of the government shutdown, so I wasn't really that fussed by it. All right. Right, 2 minutes. Got a milkshake today to help me through it. Yeah, it's been a good morning so far. Nice long this morning up to the highs. Where the long from? What's this 5-minute chart? Here, I believe. Up to the highs. And I did have a brief short, but wasn't liking how it was looking, so trailed my stop. I think I got about 0.3 out of it, 0.35. So yeah, 2.1k up on the challenge account, and managed to get both on the funded as well. So $88 up on each account on the funded. But yeah, that was basically it. Long from here up to the highs, straight in for a short. Was looking for about 5 points, so would have eventually hit take profit, but yeah, I didn't like how it looked. I think I got 0.35 out of it in the end as I trailed the stop. It was a bit of a riskier one, so I didn't want to mess around with it. Back with Will, afternoon. How you doing? Lewis, here he is. Here you are, mate. How you doing, man? How you doing? How's the few weeks been without me? All right, we're open. We're open. Yeah, man, I'm good, man. I'm good. A little bit tired, but I'm all right. Leo, how you doing, man? Leo's the richest guy in chat at the minute. 29 grand up on CPI this morning. That's £5. What's the poll saying then? 50% reckon short. Yeah, that's what I was leaning towards. At least back down to the 800 level, I think, on ES anyway. What's Nasdaq doing? Yeah, Nasdaq's dropping back down. I'm not sure how much I'll trade, to be honest. I'll have a little mess around on the practice account maybe, but I think I want to end the week in the positive. Let's have a quick look at this month so far, man. Currently, no, you can't see mine's in the way. No. Full display, that's what I want, not full webcam. Currently the best month of the year so far, so I want to keep that going. I think best week in a while as well. 417 up for the week on the fundeds. Which is cool, and this is my first week on this new platform, and I think it's the platform that's got me this far, to be honest. I'm not normally one to be like, oh yeah, you need the software, you need the setup, but there's no doubt that this new software has helped me out massively. So Moving you are nice. What was the trade? The trade was, let's do it on a top step's a bit clearer to see. Long from 790s area. What was going on? Refresh my memory. So there was about 600 or 700 contracts sitting up here on the book. I've gone long here. I wanted to enter 79225, just above this large order here, basically. But literally, 2 or 3 times it come one tick away. And I actually had a similar situation earlier in the day as well. When was that? Here, I wanted to go long here. Had an order set up long here, and yeah, come one tick to filling me again. And then yeah, again here, limit order set up here, come close to filling me here, come close to filling me here, didn't get filled. Ended up dragging it up and getting filled around here somewhere. Yeah, with the target being the higher day, which there was this big order sat on the book. And then as soon as I hit take profit on that, shorted, but didn't quite like how it was looking, so trailed to stop. I think I got about 0.35 out of that short. Yeah, let me do it on the 1 minute, might be a bit clearer. Yeah, long up to there, straight into a short, and yeah, trailed to stop and got stopped out here. Yeah, it's not too bad. I was out this morning, so caught what I could. Take a couple of weeks. Yeah, I haven't been trading too much. This is my first real full week back in it, I suppose. Yeah, I was sort of easing myself back into it here. Obviously, this is only the funded trades. Yeah, it's been good. It's been good. Yeah, I was getting a bit concerned after Tuesday and Wednesday, but Thursday and Friday has saved the day. Get rid of all these executions. I don't know how to get rid of these. These are a bit annoying. Yeah, I'm loving these bubbles. Something I want to try and experiment with next CPI. I noticed that this point here was the point of control of this bar. Got on the footprint chart on the left. So I wonder how good of a strategy that is to let the CPI news bar go wherever it's going, and then jump in on the retracement. Jump in here. Nothing major, just maybe 5 points or so, but we've got a fat order there. Right, let's go into the 1 minute. We'll switch to the simulated account, I think, for a bit. I want to stay green. Well, they represent the bubbles. They represent large orders. So I've currently got it set up to only show me orders over 100 contracts. So each bubble is at least over 100. During the London and Asia session, I have it set to 30. But yeah, the New York session is better at 100. And yeah, I found them on trending sessions. They're very good for entries. So like here, if we push up past this, I'll look to have a limit order set up just above it for a retest. See if the movement is back by large orders yet. So yeah, if it's a trending session, they're great for either adding to orders or just getting into a long or whatever. On a range bound day, they normally represent the outer edges of the range. So if we fall back in here, it could be a good place to get short from later on, but I haven't done that too much. It's more of I found them beneficial to continue the trend with. I'm definitely on simulated, aren't I? Yeah. We're in a little simulated long. Well, order setup. Room. Yeah, the idea is that that large buy will protect the price and push it up. Another order on the book. Hopefully that will drag price up. Milkshake's horrible now. I haven't traded it too much during the New York session. It'll be interesting to see how it plays. No, I'm out on that. So that guy is famous now for using this type of charts. Guys, Italian thing. Yes, I forgot his name. Is it Fabio? Yes, I know who you're on about. That's I mean the bubbles were set up on the heat map chart that I had just as default, and I've realised you can drag them onto the candles, which is what that guy does. And yeah, I think it's handy as fuck. Missing entry in NQ 09225 and it's still running. Ah, there's nothing worse, man. I've had that a few times today. 09225. Yeah. Nothing worse. 2 or 3 times today I've had that happen to me. Goes from Dubai, yeah. Uses bubbles as well, but uses them very tight stops. So the rate is very good. Yeah, I've seen that he literally puts a stop just behind, doesn't he? Which probably is a better way to do it. When I was sort of looking back on previous days, it's sort of 5 points as seems to be a good place to put them, the stops, but Just cancelled that short. I Tradeify back on Project X. They all back up and running now, though, because they were down for a little bit, weren't they? Obviously, well, I mean, everything was down, wasn't it? Lewis, have you got your the stuff you were missing from Top Step yet? I still haven't got my accounts. Fabio Mamma Mia is his name, I think. I like that. I like that. How they know that I hate Tradeify. How come you're on a... How long you been on Tradeify for them? That's a recent thing, isn't it? Are you off Top Step, or... I mean, I suppose you're not if you're waiting on stuff. Oh, was there news? Honestly, I've just been not paying attention to news recently because there's a PMI. Because of the government shutdown, I just completely forgot news exists. I think one of the cameras waiting for it to go on Project Starkey yet. We're struggling to push above this, isn't it? I do like the idea of a short from here, but it's not my normal setup or anything. Yeah, the thing about today is now we've had CPR so far away from any levels. Closest we've got is what, previous week value area high, all the way down below CPI. Anything we've got is current day value area high, but 2 ticks from being filled there. I come to have sympathy for Tradeify, embrace simple things, man. Tradeify is alright. I think it's it does the essentials, but I mean, for me, I literally just executed on there. I didn't like charting at all on there. Always would chart on a trading view. That's why I've moved over to Motive Wave, just purely because I can chart on there. It's still not amazing, the charting, but it's far better than TradeDay was. And the I get free level 2 data. And yeah, I've got footprint charts, fucking large order bubbles, and yeah, just a lot more. Bracket orders are really good. What dope setup, Sam? What strategy is this? The setup is Motive Wave. Strategy is just volume profile and a bit of order flow. I'm new to order flow, so can't really call it order flow, but all point of control is flipped up here now. Yeah, I should have just market ordered in, shouldn't I, really? Back up here. Lewis, are you still hanging around? You know the free fundings that we're getting? I'm assuming they'll be like brand new funders, won't they? So the balance will be 0. Is that right? I'm assuming it's not going to be a, oh yeah, we'll give you free funded the same balance as what you've got. It would be a, yeah, it should be 0. Cool. So yeah, that means I should be able to risk around $100 per trade on them funded. 3 freshies, that's it, mate. That's it. So it means I'll be able to risk a bit more per trade on them ones, because I'll have the bigger drawdown. Obviously, at the minute I've only got what, 1,000 drawdown on these ones, so I should have 2,000 on the new ones and risk a bit more. Order flow for you based on the print of lower time from candles, or do you see order flow of those other charts? I mean, to be honest, mate, the main thing that I'm finding beneficial at the minute is this the big trades bubbles. So I can see where and at what price and time and stuff the big boys are playing. And yeah, for trending markets, they're quite good to have your limit order set up on. The DOM is I'm finding very good as targets. So like the trade that I had this morning, long from here, targeting this order up here, 600-700 odd on the book. And sort of was quite confident price would sort of use that as a magnet and draw to it. I was quite happy going in long and was longing from a previous bubble, or trying to. There was one tick away from being filled here and here. Eventually dragged my limit order up a few ticks and eventually got filled. So yeah, I'm finding them very beneficial. The DOM's very beneficial. I don't really use time of sales too much, to be honest. And I've got footprint charts on my left monitor, which I sort of find beneficial, but I'm not quite up to scratch on that and what it means and stuff yet, so. On the bitmap, yeah, that's it, mate. These were originally on a heat map, but the heat map isn't great on here. And the heat map itself is just the order book, which I can see here anyway, so it's more beneficial for me to have the overlay of the bubbles on the chart. And then I've got the order book here on the right. And what I love about this as well, I can press this button up here and the order book follows me wherever I go. It's quite handy. And if I want to zoom out a bit, I can just untick it and move freely. I'll try better than bookmap. I don't know how people read that. Yeah, I mean, bookmap is alright. The heat map itself is definitely better on bookmap, I think. But yeah, I think bookmap is only really good for heat map. But if I can have it all on one platform, I've got the chart so I can trade off of it nicely, and I've got all the info that I really need from a bookmap. I think there's some good indicators on bookmap, like the iceberg stuff, and not that I've ever used it, but it seems like it's good. Just draw highs and lows and follow the trend. Yeah, I mean, whatever works for you, man. Stick to what works for you. That's all that matters. Yeah, I mean, trading, the way I'm trading now is I'm trading the best I've traded in ages, so I'm trying to stick to that. But I mean, mainly I just trade the volume profile. So from the value area lows and highs, etc. But today we're way away from any of it, really. I think what I'm finding beneficial about the level 2 as well is where I can see the larger orders. I'm more confident pushing a trade a bit further. So I'd normally go for like a 1-to-1, but I'm able to sort of maybe get like a 1 to 1.2, 1.3 out of it kind of thing, because I can see, oh, there's a load of orders here. It will probably push there as a magnet. And like my first trade this morning, I think was a 1.6, 1.67, purely because I was targeting 600-700 contracts sitting at a higher day. Did open this? Yeah, it's a bit chuffy. What's Nasdaq looking like? Probably even worse, isn't it? I can't work out what's the difference between my balance and cash balance. I'm assuming cash balance is what was at the start of the day, maybe, and this is what I'm currently sitting at. As I said, but the math still doesn't quite math unless it's obviously not including fees and commissions and whatever. In the 450 like shorts to 387. I'm using 1 minute. What's I'm using 1 minute? Oh, just a revised consumer sentiment. Yeah, that'd be fine. Well, that'll be a nice little short list. 387 down here, yeah. One, two, three. I think we need a breakout really, don't we, before I want to do anything. Yeah, I think I'm in a similar boat to you, to be honest, Lewis. If we break the lows of this little range at room, I quite like the idea of shorting down to the 5 previous range. Current day value area high here. We can break that and keep it. Could be enough for longs. This is a high. I think you're about to be 2. Oh yes. Oh. Oh. Needs a 5-minute close about 5-5. Yeah, we're falling back in. Falling back in. It's absolutely freezing today. Any UK lads? It's fucking cold as fuck, isn't it? It's nice. I love it a bit colder. I think it's supposed to be lows of 6 in the morning when I'm at work. Oh. Trade is something cozy as fuck. Yeah, to film. I'm sat in my dressing gown, sat here trying to make money. Can't complain really. Chilly outside. Like the cold. Do you not like the cold, Leo? It's weird, isn't it, how people prefer different stuff. Some people like it hot, some people like it cold. Up to 10 degrees. So yeah, that's comfortable Celsius, yeah. Yeah, I suppose anywhere between sort of 10 and 20 is like relatively mild and just average, isn't it? Not too hot, not too cold, but yeah, below 10 does get a bit chilly. I don't know, I do enjoy the seasons, I enjoy the change. It's nice when it's hot, but then by the end of the summer I'm fed up of the heat. It's nice when it's cold, but then by the end of the winter I'm fed up that it's cold. Typical British person, really fucking never happy. Congrats on the baby, it's your best investment yet. Nice seeing you doing well. Have a good weekend, everyone. Cheers, mate. Appreciate that. Yes. I mean, you're right, mate. Good investment, that is. Good investment. Be there for life, won't he? So, yeah. Yeah, thank you, mate. I appreciate that. Have a good weekend as well, man. 124 range on the day's coat temperature. 24 sun, oh my god, it's heaven. So yeah, 24 here would be like too hot. It would be muggy, humid, sweaty, not nice. I mean, it's weird how you like different temperatures in different places as well can be a different kind of heat. Yeah, I imagine being on the coast, it's like not too bad where you are, but if you were to say go where your family's from, and it was the same temperature, it'd probably be really humid, wouldn't it? Because you're like right in the centre, probably surrounded by jungle. Wouldn't be as nice. Right, if it gets to minus 10 Fahrenheit, not a fan. What is that? I can never do the conversion. Minus 10 Fahrenheit. Oh, damn. That's minus 23 Celsius. That's cold. Where are you from? Canada? Russia? Oh no, you're Nordic and you're all that sort of way, is that right? From memory? Taste it. I'm a family lives, it's humid and hot as fuck, yeah. Average day hit 35, Jesus. That's 23 is dark side of the moon temperature. South Dakota, US Arco. Oh yeah, it's relatively close to Canada, isn't it? Which had to get the map up because I couldn't quite place South Dakota. I wouldn't have thought it would have got that cold there. Like Canada, I can see it being that cold. But like, not like necessarily the south, but more maybe sort of mid-north Canada, I can see it being that cold. But yeah, I wouldn't have thought you would have got that cold in South Dakota. Oh, I haven't been paying attention. So we are pushing up, aren't we? I can kill you pretty quickly. Not like, oh mate, the heat can kill you just as quickly. You can literally say exactly the same about the heat. Get stuck on the road in the winter, no gas, no appropriate clothing, you're done. If you're stuck in the desert with no gas, not appropriate clothing, you're done. Yeah, I've water you golden. There's no desert in my right. I feel like if it was like snowy though, you might be able to dig like a little igloo or something. Dig a little cave. There's no escaping heat, is there? And you need to drink shitloads. At least if it's cold and it's snowing, you've got access to water. You've got ice. I go to a city near me and my car broke midnight on the road. I'm fucked. Yeah, that's just because you'll be robbed and murdered. Why would you be what? You'd be fucked because of the cold. I didn't realise it'd get that cold there. So how you doing, man? Is he getting how's the new baby? Yes, he's good, man. He's up every couple of hours and nights are a bit tired, but other than that, he's cool. He's chill. He's chill. He's a hefter. He's a big one. But he's good. How have you been, San? You been alright? You trading been going alright? Make a mistake, you can get yourself stuck in a bad situation very quick. Yeah, I mean, if it's cold enough, yeah, you could, you know. At least in the UK, wherever you are, you're in Uber distance. I suppose unless your phone's gone, that's it's very rare that you're so far away that you wouldn't be able to walk somewhere. On Death Doors, not about to call it a day. My final breath will say 5 gone short at 449. If he's aside from the heat, you have to try very, very hard at that. Perhaps video saying start walking into inside. Oh yeah, of course, yeah. But I don't know, I feel like it would be I feel like I'd rather be like in the wilderness, like in Canada, in like minus 15, 20, than I would be in the middle of what's it fucking called in Australia? Outback. Do you know what I mean? I feel like it would be easier to survive in the winter in, say, Canada than it would be to survive in the summer in the outback. Tapped in there on a long target in the Haas. Not bad, I'm learning order flow, oh yeah. What's your new platform? This is Motive Wave, mate. This is good. If you're learning order flow, this is the bee's knees, man. This is good. Would recommend it. I've only been on it about a week, but I would recommend it. I've been trading a lot better. Not that I know massively what I'm looking at with most of it, but this disgusting short has come in. Yeah, what you reckon it's gonna absolutely slap down in a minute? It'll be a nasty one if it does. Trap a lot of people, including me. If Grizzly's gonna get paw to paw for Grizzly or a Moose, yeah. It's better to be winter in Canada than stuck 12 on the real Amazon rate yet. 12 hours on the Amazon rate, yeah, okay. Machine of killing things, yeah, I wouldn't want to be in the rainforest, fuck that. Like, I feel that there'd be more opportunity for like food there potentially, but there's more opportunity to stand in a fucking venomous snake, isn't there? So or be attacked by a gorilla. But I think if you was in the wilderness in Canada, if you could make yourself a little shelter, build yourself a little fire, you should be alright. You'd be able to survive 12 hours at least. You just got to keep yourself warm in the desert. You got to try and keep yourself cool as well as find water. Scratch your arm on the wrong tree, you're dead. Infections that kill you in 6 hours, Jesus. How's today trading? It's good to me. Yes, it's not been too bad. I'm just I'm sim trading at the minute because I've had a pretty decent morning. And there's not really any my normal setups, to be honest. Yeah, 2,100 up on the challenge account. And $88 up on each funded account, which is 220. No, 260. Sorry, overall free. Logging just before the before New York session, and then a little short, and then bottled it. Tried to stop aggressively on that one. Definitely glad I'm sim trading today, to be honest. This session. Cannot get a read on it today. I mean, we're just chopping really, aren't we? We are slowly trending upwards. Like the look of this 400, 500 lot. Setting 839 as a target if we can get up there. Gonna be a stop out by the looks of it. Oh, I'm fucking tired. I'm back to my my day job on Wednesday next week. Back to the weekday job. 3:30 gaps. It's gonna kill me. Insane. Which had about 2,000 transactions here, man. Look at that. It's about to go either one way or the other. It was aggressive buyers, I think. So I'd like to think we'll push up. Price hasn't fallen too much, to be honest. It must have been a load of tiny orders. Because the most I've got is 500. On the footprint, we've got 2,000, nearly 2,000 contracts traded here within literally a couple of seconds. This strategy using. Normally, I would mainly be looking at volume profile stuff, so trading the highs and lows and stuff for the value highs and stuff. But I've been using these green bubbles, or these trade bubbles, sorry, as well, adding them into it, using the DOM for targets and reversals and stuff. Especially if we're having like a choppy day and I see like a big wedge of orders, it's a good place to get a little reversal from, or target if you're in a long go in that direction. Yeah, stopped out on that. Stopped out on that. Yeah, it's very glad I decided to sim trade the afternoon session, the AM session. I mean, I don't think I'd have taken them on the I mean, to be honest, that last one I probably would have. Nothing really wrong with that last one. Pushed above. Found support of this previous order. I suppose the key would have been that we had sort of 2,000 odd aggressive bloody buyers here and price didn't go up. That's got to be a sign of absorption, isn't it? That's a sign that sellers aren't letting it go any higher. So that should be the key to close the trade, I think. What do you think about Faber Vale? No idea what that is. Let me Google it quick. Faber Vale. Oh, is it a YouTube channel? Oh, it's him, yes. I like him. I didn't know he had his own channel, to be honest. I watched I watched that video of him on Words of Wisdom, no, Chart Fanatics, whatever it is, the other day, and I think he uses these bubbles. Sort of where I got the idea to add it to the chart kind of thing. But it's fascinating watching that video because he's trading live and he basically calls everything as it's happening, which is pretty impressive. Purchase for the bubble. You pay for the platform itself. I think you would need, well, I mean, I have the order flow package, which I think is about $50 a month, I think. I don't know if the big trades is included in that order package or it's in the basic one, I don't know, but I have it with the $50 a month subscription. But yeah, the way I look at it is I'll stop paying for TradingView, which is like what I pay, I think, maybe like $30 a month. And pay for this instead. It's a bit more expensive. You get so much more for it. So, Lefty, yo man, how you doing? How are you doing? There you go. Here's that nasty short. Very short, man. Christmas is not far away, is it? Christmas is not far away. 41 points to do happy Friday, mate. 41 points is banging on Nasdaq, man. Happy Friday, that'll do you for the weekend, wouldn't it? That'll put you in a good mood. Gonna look at more props over the weekend, yeah? What are you trying to do? Just diversify a bit? How many are you with now? So you're with Top Step and now Tradeify, is that right? I'll copy trade max allocation on Top Step Tradeify simple trade. Yeah, gonna rinse 2k. Feel like 10 distractors. Hey, yeah, nice man, might as well. Yeah man, if it's fucking working, mate, get everything out of it you can. 128 hands across, that'd be fucking mental, man. I mean, yeah, 100%. Especially as like you have no idea how long things that'll work for. So make as much money as you can while you can. Because this time, 6 months time, it might not work anymore. The strategy might not work. The prop firms might not be running. Get out of it what you can. It's just been going one direction. I'm about to slow over 80 JG's 8 years, fucking hell. Yeah, I mean, you should be good, but yeah, fucking rinse it before you can, mate. So you're gonna spend 2k on prop firms alone here on the challenge accounts. TradeDay today and 1 year at random from the past 20 years. Yeah, nice, man. Nice. That would have taken some fucking time, wouldn't it? Taking 3 months. Mate, that's not bad, really. That many years of backtesting in 3 months isn't bad. Especially as you work as well, don't you? It's not like you can just spend all day, every day doing it. Whoa. Yeah, 1 trade a day, New York only, yeah. Yeah, that's a lot, man. Fair play, though. Fair play. But yeah, I mean, you've got 20 accounts running. I mean, how much do you estimate that you'll make per day, per week, per month? What's the numbers on 20 accounts? The numbers would be amazing. When I'm literally running 500 hour on a 50k. Shit. Oh, they fucking pulled it, man. 1,000 lot sitting on the book. Tip before they fucking pull it. But it has been filled. Big orders on the footprint. Up to date 18 trading day, 2 losses, 14 wins, 1 break even. 102 no trade days, balances 7,600, yeah. And that's what, 1 account? See, I mean, basically just times that by 20. Pretty good numbers, man. Pretty good numbers. Man, there's a lot of transactions right here. Just flatten that. I don't trust this 1,000 lot. It's going to keep pulling it. Yeah, pulled. $150k, I blew around up to 44k. Jeez, I took 4 max payouts. And 4 portal. You for 100k, nothing. To be fair, at least you got 4 payouts. It's not like you've taken losses on it, do you know what I mean? Would have been horrible if you got up to 44k and then not taking a payout. Not ready for live. Yeah, I mean, yeah, live for me is faff, man. I want to just be sim trading the props. That's like until I'm on my my own personal account. Why would I have a live account with them and give them 10%, and I can just may as well just have my own live account? I do to run 50k times 5, Tradeify 100k, and the same across 2, 3 more. The non-tops of accounts to be similar rules for ease. Oh yeah. Don't trust Apex. Yeah, I mean, with Apex you've got the faff of make sure you're sticking to their strict rules, aren't you? And that's if they're different to what the other ones are, you're going to be just having issues with the payouts and stuff like that. So yeah, I'd stay away. Yeah, do ones with similar rules. Copy trade them all. The thing is, can you copy trade through Project X, can you? Or is it easy enough to set up on a couple of platforms? Faff, I know, but need to get software. Okay, yeah. Oh yeah, there is copy traders out there, aren't there? Just be wary, because I'm sure with some of them there's like issues with the data feed, like I'm making this up, but it's something along the lines of, obviously if one is rhythmic you can't then trade the other one, and so just have a bit of research before you start spending loads of money on prop firms in case you can't copy trade them for whatever reason. What's the version of Apex? Oh yeah, I forgot Leo's really. I reckon Leo's secretly the CEO of Apex. He's always lurking in the background trying to back it up. Yeah, Lewis. Yeah, just have a quick Google and just make sure you can copy trade all the ones that you're wanting to copy trade, basically. You pay the rules you ask without they pay you. Yeah, Leo, I think it was he just wanted them to be similar rules to the other ones, I think. Worst case, I'll run them on their own platform. Panic entry for 10 seconds. I have 3 laptops, should help. Have you got 3 arms though? That's the question. Right, we're going for another short. We're going for it. Over 3 legs. Oh, good fun. You can have 20 counts. Yeah, that's true. To be fair, that is true. See, I mean, if you wanted the complicated rules, and you could do Apex and just do only Apex. Leo's the CEO, so he'll be able to help you out with the rules. Yeah, to be fair, Leo is the only person I've heard of to regularly use Apex and get payouts. He's the man to do that. Looking up at the strap, sometimes I'll sit here and go, why didn't I load up? For 3 obvious reasons. To stick in what you would have been on. Yeah, yeah. Is it possible? Yeah, I definitely agree with you there. It's just one of them things that as long as you're you know what you're doing with Apex, they're perfectly fine. But you just gotta make sure you know what you're doing. It's about Apex, the amount of time it takes the money to reach your bank account. Yeah, 3 or 4 days. Okay, yeah. No, that's process yet. Maybe it's this one called Plane. Oh, okay. It probably takes so long because they've got to do so many, so much vetting of every single person's account and their trading to see if they can get out of paying them in any kind of way. Who's this, Lewis? Made 9.1k and 20 Apex. Get what on each account? Fucking hell, that'd be a lot. That'd be nice. Sorry. So there's an actual farmer. And 40 accounts on a trap. When you said prop farmer, I just assumed you meant he's farming prop firms. I mean, not actually farming. Oh fucking hell. 7k a month from accounts, but average just needs 75k. Jesus. There's definitely a way to do it in there. Some people have got it all figured out. We used to buy a farm, then had a farm, and it cost so much, so it funds it with this. Fucking hell. Customer strategy here, okay. Bino gives it all away. Ah, that's the key in it. Don't give away the secret sauce. My math is takes me $200 to open an account on average. I make 2,000 and pay out. I made 10 times the amount of money to open one account. Yeah, the math is simple. Yeah, to be fair, the math is simple when you can make $2,000 on one account. I've been trying to do that, and I'm stuck on 1k at the minute. To be fair, I think this is the furthest I've got in a challenge account in ages. I'm trying not to look at the figures too much because I don't want to jinx myself, but I mean, I'm over halfway now, and I think so. Yeah, we got there on the end of a win. Still down on the simulated account, but purely just got short then because loads of aggressive bars, but price wasn't moving up. And yeah, just looking to trade the little range that we're in on the volume profile. Max 2 losses in a row, yeah. I think that's always a good rule. 2 losses in a row, call it a day. To be 36 trading days to get the first payout on this account I'm on now, yeah. I mean, it's consistent though, isn't it? That's I think that's important. Unless you're going for I want to spend loads of money and make loads of money kind of vibe that farming guy's going for. For the average person, you need one account and just slow and steady build it up, slow and steady take payouts. Win 80%, oh that's nice, man. 80% win rate is fucking ideal. When I had that 70% win rate with the EMAs, I was on top of the world. The morale you get from a high win rate strategy is fucking unreal. Prop one, I'm a crackhead. He's risking so much and getting greedy. You've kept your accounts for time, yeah man. April 23 I've got these accounts. Obviously the challenge accounts, obviously just going through. I've gone through quite a few now, I think. I don't know how many I'm at. Just get above the buffer, yeah. That was always the plan with the top step ones. Get above 3,000, then start upping the risk a bit more. But then I never quite got to 3,000, did I? I think I just about did, but maybe that 150k, that was logic, not just being a helmet. You should get knighted. What, knighted for having the funded for so long? You reckon they do that? I would love to see the stats. Honestly, I must be up there on Top Step, on Top Step's radar, for having one of the longest running accounts. Surely they must be thinking, when's this cunt gonna blow his accounts and give us more money? I've been waiting for them to find some reason to kick me off because I'm not getting anywhere. Stoney, how you doing, man? See you again, mate. Yeah, good to see you, man. Hope you've been keeping well. You must be the number one, yeah, probably the longest. Email them. Probably get you on Top Step TV, yeah, probably. Because I mean, I was obviously there'll be lots of people that'll be profitable, but they'll take 5 payouts and get moved on to live, won't they? I don't imagine there's many that are just stored on the express funded level, aren't unprofitable enough to lose the accounts, but aren't profitable enough to get any payouts. Still going through the motion right now. Yeah, man, it's a rough old ride trading, isn't it? Rough old ride. You're in that sweet spot of, yeah, sweet spot doing fuck all. Nah, I'm happy with where I am. I was looking at my the graph. We're on the up, boys. P&L is the highest it's been since what, I don't know, May, April this year. Obviously here I was risking, I don't know, 200 per trade, 100 per trade, I can't remember. 100ish per trade, oh yeah, I don't remember. And then obviously I got to the point where I had to change it up, and yeah, I started risking 50 per trade and slowly grinding it back up. We're getting there. That's wife and baby. Yeah, they're both good, man. They're both good. Baby's alright. Absolutely chunk. It's 3 weeks old this week. Eats about 3 months old worth of food. With milk, obviously. He was in 0 to 3 months, day 1, because his feet are so big. He's obviously going to be a lanky prick. Doesn't get that from me. Yeah, man, they're all good. They're all good. Bit tired, but yeah, we're happy. I just realised we just tapped into the current day value low. That would have been a good long. Not even paying attention. My first one. How many have you got, Stoney? Can't be that bad if you've got more than one. Yeah. Yes, at the minute we're questioning whether we want any more or not. I said I think it's too early to make any decisions. I don't think you should make decisions on that 3 weeks into it, because probably not the best point. In like 3 months time, 6 months time, it would be a bit easier to make a decision, I think, on that. I'll go to boys. Oh, nice, man. It was the first, yeah. Yeah, I'm looking forward to him being a bit older and a bit more interactive. At the minute, he's just a big potato, isn't he? When he starts responding more and you can make him laugh and... Sure, yeah, man, 100%. Went to Byron Funders for his birthday. Oh, could you imagine? Yeah, I hope one day I can figure this trading stuff out so I can show him how to do it. Far better than going to work for a living. I mean, to be fair, as long as he's doing something that he gets joy out of and he likes doing, that's all that matters, isn't it? Right, boys and girls, I'm going to call it. Might be 4 o'clock. So yeah, no. Only trades I took during the AM session, New York AM session, was just on the simulated. I had what, 3 trades maybe? I can't remember now. 2 losses, 1 win, I think. Not the best trading, more just dicking around, to be honest. But yeah, 2 trades earlier in the day. 1 good trade, 1 did a good trade, just tried to stop quite aggressively on that, so only a small win. But yeah, green in the day, green on the week, 400 up on the week on the fundeds overall 3, 700 up on the month. Buzzing. Buzzing, 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 buzzing. But yeah, it's been nice to get back to streaming. It's been a bit weird on day 1 on Wednesday. It's a bit strange getting back into the swing of things, but better right now. Yes, I should be back on Monday, normal time. Cheers for stopping by today, guys. Take it easy if you're still trading. Try and end the week on a positive note, end the week green if you can. Good to see you, yeah, good to see you, Lewis, mate. Good to see you. It's good to be back. Everyone's going well. Yeah, cheers, mate. Yes, I'll see you all next week, guys, and yeah, enjoy your weekend. Have a good one. See you later.